Good evening, viewers, and welcome to today's edition of the news. First, let's have a look at the headlines. Prime Minister Modi calls for constructive monsoon session. Maupat CNRD block office inauguration postponed amid protest. Meghalaya to build India's first rain museum in Mausanram. Emily inspects progress of synthetic football turf at Buddha. And Mairang Emily inaugurates extension of Holy Cross Health Centre. And now for the news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi expressed hope for a productive monsoon session of Parliament, urging all MPs to ensure smooth proceedings and meaningful discussions. Calling the session a celebration of collective achievements, he highlighted India's military success in Operation Sindoor and condemned the Pahalgam massacre, crediting bipartisan efforts for exposing terrorism globally. Modi emphasized growing opportunities in defense R&D. Applauding Digital India and UPI's global reach, he underscored India's rapid rise from the 10th to near 3rd position in the global economy.
पहलगाम की क्रूर हत्या, अत्याचार, नरसंहार पूरी दुनिया चौंक उठी थी। आतंकवादी और आतंकवादी के आके दुनिया का ध्यान उनकी तरफ केंद्रित हुआ। आतंकियों के आकाओं के घर में जाकर के 22 मिनट के भीतर भीतर ऑपरेशन सिंदूर के तहत उसको जमींदोज कर दिया गया। डिजिटल इंडिया, यूपीआई आज भारत के एक नए सामर्थ्य को दुनिया देख रही है, पहचान रही है और ज्यादातर देश में उसके प्रति एक आकर्षण पैदा हो रहा है। यूपीआई ने फिनटेक की दुनिया में अपने एक नाम कमाया है। 2014 के पहले वैश्विक अर्थव्यवस्था में हम 10वें नंबर पर थे और आज भारत तेज गति से दुनिया की तीसरे नंबर की अर्थव्यवस्था बनने की दिशा में आगे बढ़ रहा है।
The inauguration of the Maupat CNRD block office was halted after residents protested the government's failure to implement a 2017 agreement, including minimum wages of contractual staff and equitable fund allocation among villages. CNRD Minister A.T. Mondal and Minister A.L. Hek were stopped from entering the office by protesters. Maupat Rangbashnong Juda Walang expressed strong discontent, prompting officials to postpone the event until the Dorbashnong's demands are addressed. A new inauguration date will be announced once the issues are resolved.
Kalau tiga Korean itu Rusia bandon kan gunung kecing dorkam gunung kecing tuna. Lalu kami bermoni kendu yang sorkal ini yang aku menunggu kemaru. Tiga tak lagi ke ngam dan menunggu rega haksi ke bakadu. Ban pleno pinong ba kimsha eta tinga nong bala da dei belawan kendu tang arsilesi suai kata ke poru nai. Ni dan rengkat bagasnoki. Itip bega jingdong jingbet yang jangasnong jing bah jangasnong. Iku ahi menyetai bagasnong.
Issues, it is a very simple matters. Ba kabaladan lupa in written. Kadai stang bakin implement lani ban streamline. Ia kan discourse ni. Te nakalian gajongi lada nakalian jong ka sarkar ni ka kloy ka ban ai to commitment ni kata. Te kan nakalian gajongi ni da bakulu disi. Kumbangi functionong menta. Kabangi nga oppose. Balada nakalian jong ka sarkar kala pendiang ia kata ka ni functionong sa sisin. Claim di ni wan ga jingkemen hang ni namar ba layo ban shift ya kan ga Maupat CNRD office ya kan ga office ka macamai ban nakalian ga jongi tum bersama ni layo ya ban penan kamno ya ketika facilities ka bangi ron nak kita bersama.
Meghalaya to build India's first rain museum in Mausanram. Envisioned as a tribute to the region's deep cultural connection with rain, the 25 crore project spearheaded by local MLA Olan Singh Sun is expected to be completed within 2 years. Designed with bamboo-infused architecture, the museum will feature immersive exhibitions and rain simulations, transforming Mawsynram into a global destination where climate meets creativity. Sun described the initiative as a symbol of resilience and a celebration of living in harmony with nature's rhythm.
Because as you know, Mawsynram is the wettest place on earth. So the rain museum itself will be like a brand name for Mawsynram. And we will attract a lot of tourists from national and international also. Design is quite okay. You'll see the very intervened with the bamboo structure. Since the work is allotted, so the contractor has to see that since it is rainy season, once it is convenient, I think we'll start the work very soon.
MLA Mayoral Bonds Aim conducted a detailed inspection of the synthetic football turf under construction at Umbuda, joined by representatives from Mauro and Umbuda Dorbar Shnongs, local sports clubs and engineers from the State Sports Council. Expressing satisfaction with the quality and pace of work currently at 65 to 70% completed, he highlighted the project's importance in promoting sports and healthy lifestyles among local youth. The facility is expected to become a hub for football and sporting events in Riphoi district.
Layo penjungok penpek yang jengyak jong kakam betum kejeng pentip syaki baik antam yagi kun samlah ki ba dan kebanta ke bakrau nak kebanta ban kentiu ya ka football kumju ru ki ba dan kemensim panesim benta lagi tournament ki bakher kat kum kejeng du ke por ustang kat tu kan dia benai lala ban pendem ayo ngin yo ban li pai ba ke ni ban penon kam ya karu nak kebanta ki mentoy jong samlah bat ki pai ba bat ka bakhat.
Mairang MLA and Meghalaya State Planning Board Chairman Medba Lingdo inaugurated the new extension building of the Holy Cross Health Centre at Pindeng Umyong village in eastern West Khasi Hills district. The ceremony was attended by district officials alongside hospital staff and community leaders. In his address, he praised the hospital's commitment to serving the poor, emphasizing the vital role of mission-run healthcare in remote areas.
Guidance. But here today I would like to say that we have to talk a lot about what is being worked by those who are a part of the Holy Cross Hospital. Quietly, you have played a very, very big and important role in the society. This state-of-art hospital that we have here for all these years has really rendered its services, especially to the poor and downtrodden people.
3 candidates, Johannes Narling, Augustin Nongrum and Alex Narling, have filed nominations at the Hima Milim office to contest for the post of village headman of Baridwa Raj Marwet, Riphoi district. Mintri Kurwar Sado, overseeing the Ilaka department, confirmed all documents were in order and the candidates are eligible. The election comes after years of interim leadership without a formally elected headman.
Layo di langut di Rangba di Bodon Jujur na unda kali kamera snow. Ini di langut di Rangba di lawan Bangchat ini ikut Islas ini ke Dorba musim mamle. But mendak kesini aku dari di labu pak ya kali ga seni bangin pelong ya kali besar ikut Islas. Hadir minga pelong ya kali besar ini ikut Islas. Lasiam begini di Rangba di yang di ikut Islas. Di kasa sa Dorba ya mendak minggu kita seni.
The 10th Meghalaya State Shooting Championship 2025 concluded yesterday at the Assam Regimental Centre in Shillong. Organised by the Shooting Association of Meghalaya under the aegis of the National Rifle Association of India, supported by the Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs, the week-long event saw over 150 participants compete in 10-metre air rifle and pistol events. Chief Guest S.K. Bhala, ITS Secretary NEC, praised the young talent and highlighted sports as a tool for national development under India's new sports policy.
Today, I am fortunate that I could see the talent, the budding shooters, whom we can look forward to represent in national games and maybe years to come in Olympics also. There are many good things which our country had been seeing and will continue to see. Year 25, the National Sports Policy, new policy after 2001, it's a new chapter for our country. Why? Because the sports policy says that sports is meant for socio-economic development. We want to be powerhouse of the world.
And now for the weather report. First, let's take a look at the weather report in Tura. Minimum temperature 24 degrees Celsius, maximum temperature 28 degrees Celsius and relative humidity is 82%, rainfall 3.2 millimeters. Moving on to Shillong, minimum temperature 19 degrees Celsius, maximum temperature 24 degrees Celsius, relative humidity is 83% and rainfall 9.7 millimeters. Meanwhile, in Juwai, minimum temperature 20 degrees Celsius, maximum temperature 25 degrees Celsius, relative humidity is 81% and rainfall 3.2 millimeters. And forecast in Tura, Shillong and Juwai says moderate rain and thunder shower is likely to occur at most places. And now for the headlines once again. Prime Minister Modi calls for constructive monsoon session. Mopat CNRD block office inauguration postponed amid protest. Meghalaya to build India's first rain museum in Mausanram. MLA inspects progress of synthetic football turf at Buddha. And Mairang MLA inaugurates extension of Holy Cross Health Centre. Well, that's all we have for you in today's edition of the news. Do tune in tomorrow at the same time and same channel. Have a good night.